Hello, my name is Yuri Rojas. I shared 5 answers. Answer 1. On my last trip, I did not spend a lot of money. It's like a fair amount. Answer 2. Yes, I did tourism on my last trip. I went to visit Yasuni Park, a very interesting place where I made a path through its wonderful forest. Answer 3. I did try a typical meal from the place where I made my last trip, which was a fish mito. Answer 4. The most attractive in my city is the famous of waterfall of the Andes, a wonderful place with crystal clear waters. Answer 5. What I had missed visiting on my last trip is the Lagoon Peak Dolphins, a wonderful place where you can share with these fantastic animals. Thank you.